War veterans leader dies. The 10th of August 2025, Zimbabwe ex-political prisoners, detainees and restrictees association, ZEPPDRA. National chairperson Victor Panganai Kuritu has died. He was 83. Kuritu passed away on August 7, 2025, at St. Anne's Hospital in Harare after a short illness. President Emerson Mnangagwa has since declared him a national hero. The announcement was made on Saturday by Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Harare Metropolitan Province, Senator Charles Tavengwa, at the Kuritu family home in Mufakos. President Mnangagwa, who is the first secretary of the party, ZANU-PF, has conferred national hero status on Kuritu. Tavengwa said, "He will be interred at the National Heroes Acre at a date to be advised." The president considered the role played by Kuritu during and after the liberation struggle and deemed it fit to accord him this highest honor. Kuritu was born on March 3, 1942, in Gwero. He completed his primary and secondary education in the city before training as a teacher in Mutare. While in Mutare, he became ZAPU Youth Secretary for the Sakava branch and later rose to the position of Deputy Regional Secretary for Manicaland Province. His political activism led to repeated persecution by the Rhodesian regime. He was first arrested in 1962. After his release, he was arrested again in 1965 and detained at Sakava police station. In 1966, he was sent to Ghana-Kudzingwa restriction camp, where he remained until his release at the end of 1970. Undeterred, Kuritu continued his involvement in the liberation movement until independence in 1980. After independence, he worked for Deribord Zimbabwe while remaining active in party structures, serving as ZAPU district chairperson for Mufakos. Following the 1987 Unity Accord, he held various positions in ZANU-PF, from district to provincial level, and eventually became a member of the National Consultative Assembly. At the formation of ZEPPDRA, he served as Deputy Secretary for Information and Publicity before being elected National Chairperson in 2005, a position he held until his death. Kuritu's son, Casper, described him as a principled leader and devoted family man. He embodied the three values that validate a father, being the family's priest, guardian, and above all, the source of income. He said, "We have lost a pillar of support, love, and guidance. My dad was a giver. He made sure no one he knew lacked anything, and that became our family's motto. He was always there for his family and would spend time with us." Kuritu is survived by his wife Rita, 11 children, and 34 grandchildren. Funeral arrangements will be announced in due course. For more news like this, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a story.